Ymarfer y dydd, leg raises. Workout of the day, leg raises. Dan ni weithio ar cyhyrau'r abdominau, sef yr abdominau is. We're going to work or target the abdominal area, but more on the lower abdominals. So, lawr at y llawr yn ar y deg, down to the floor slowly. Gorwedd yn hir ac yn syth. Rhwylio'r sgwyddo nôl. Dwylo dan y penol i cadw'r cefn yn cyffyrddus. So roll your shoulders back, legs straight, and then hands underneath your bottom to keep your back comfortable. Legs are going to start above the hips, coesa'n dechrau uwch ben y hips, a wedyn lawr, eitio hanner ffordd, cadw'r cefn yn flat ar y llawr, dim archio'r cefn. Take the legs slowly down to the floor, keep your back flushed into the mat and try not to arch your back. And nôl I fyny, back up. Efo'r anadlu, cynnig gwynt I fiawn yn ffordd fyny, breathe out on the way down. Breathing in, breathing out. Anadlu fiawn, anadlu allan. Dyna diwylliad tuag at 8 I 10 repetition. Ailadrodd hynny wedyn mewn 3 set. Stopio yn ganol o gael rest bach. We're going to work for 8 to 10 repetitions for 3 sets, taking a rest in between. Nes da chi'n lefel uwch, pam ddim gweithio at 15 I 20 repetition I 3-4 sets. Or if you're quite advanced, why not work or increase the reps 15 to 20 reps, 3 to 4 sets. Dwch go iddo fo, give it a go, mwynhewch. Enjoy.